He shot me. My best friend shot me. What has happened? It's the man in green. The Phantom. He's done something to my mind. I've got to get off this planet. I've got to go.
I've been feeling hella bad and I'm sad, right? But I never look back. I keep dreaming even when I have a bad night. I'll figure out my own path. I've been feeling hella bad and I'm sad, right? But I never look back. I keep dreaming even when I have a bad night. I'll figure out my own path.
I've spent many years running. Constantly looking over my shoulder. Staying under the radar. Trying to avoid any connection to the life I once had. I've been searching for the quad lithium. And I know it's here. The Phantom wants it. And he'd do anything to get to it. I hate feeling like there's an evil inside me. It's the same evil that makes him who he is. And I feel like he's watching me everywhere I go. But I am not the only one that sees him.
My name is Bailey. I have seen a man wearing green. Can you help me?
What these people went through matched what I did. But they didn't survive. Has he come back? Or did this? I'm getting to know a few again, especially Bailey. It's changing things. But nobody knows what I really am. I will never forget or forgive myself for what I've done. Nothing will ever take it back.
And all I see is that you're running from your past, yeah. Just like a dream, can't seem to make yourself go fast, yeah. You keep on going, but you're falling. It's now or never, push it all in. I'm not alright, no, I need you here. And I just might lie wide awake in fear and let time pass by. No, I can't see clear, think I'm lost inside, and the end is near. It's just not fair. It's just not fair. It's just not fair. Oh, yeah. It's just not fair.
Minard and Martinez. Tell Kade that I'm out.
I'm here, Captain, but he's nowhere to be found.
He should never have been put in that position.
He knew the risk to save you. Well, it looks like his monitor is on.
What's plain?
Hey, sweetie. Oh my gosh, your graduation was such a thrill. You know, your father's passed out upstairs. Oh my gosh. I'm really, really happy that we finally got some great quality time in to be together as a family. I am so very proud of you. I know that you are visiting us next month, but I just want you to know I don't want anything to come between us ever again. You'll always be my little boy. I love you, sweetie. Mwah.
It's a video of his mother. And there's a necklace here.
What type of necklace?
It's the same one his mother has. And there appears to be a message here.
What's the message say?
It's addressed to you. And it says, "You don't know my life. Stay out of it."